Assalamu alaikum. My name is Suleiman. Today I'll be showing you my project. As you see here, this brick right here is one of my fossils, and then this right here is one of my fossils too. So right here we have igneous, metamorphic, sedimentary. For igneous I used breadcrumbs. For metamorphic I used coffee ground. For sedimentary I used oats. And for Earth's surface I used rocks. As you see here, this one is wedged deep underground, most likely more older. Then you see this one newer, up to the surface more, is probably newer. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. This is my project I made in Sister Asra science class. It's about the sedimentary rock forming. I used the materials that I found in my kitchen. So the first layer is some pasta. The second layer is coffee. The third layer is some spices. The next layer is salt. The last layer is lentils. I put some plastic cup pieces in there, and that represents fossil pieces. Assalamu alaikum, and thank you.
Till up. At the bottom is sand, which there is a paper safety pin at the bottom. Then there's salt, and then there's coffee. In the coffee, there is a rubber band inside. Then there's sugar, which you might be able to see a crayon. And so another thing, which is metamorphic rocks, are after a volcano erupts, then it comes down. Then sometimes it cools way too quickly and forms into something like pumice. Pumice has no crystals, so if it forms quickly, it has no crystals. And then there's igneous, if that's how you pronounce it. Igneous, which it could form at the bottom of a volcano where the magma is, or it could come out and have enough time to cool. So igneous has crystals, like either small ones, very small ones, big ones, and the most common one in a thing in after the volcano explodes. It doesn't say that here, so looks like I can find. Anyway, so yeah, that's the end of the presentation.
What is your paper clip and?
Oh yeah, my paper clip and all my other objects in there, they represent dinosaurs. So over time, when I keep adding and adding the layers, I will keep adding probably, hopefully, and so it will. The smaller layers will be slowly put more weight, and everything in the bottom slowly will turn into harder, like stone. So some stones, they never change. Like they're like, nope, I'm not gonna change no more. But some of them, they change into harder things. Like for example, dinosaur's bone. They're normally going to be like, if for some reason they don't harden because of sedimentary, then they would end up dissolving after a lot of time because they're still bones, so it'll take time. And by the goal is to see what'll happen after a little while of putting a little water and adding more layers. So what'll happen to the objects inside.
All right.